Imagine a computer program that understands you. Not just understands but can generate human-quality text. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It's a powerful tool driven by artificial intelligence. ChatGPT can answer your questions, write stories, even compose emails. It learns from the vast sea of data it's been trained on. This allows it to engage in conversations that are both informative and entertaining. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of today. ChatGPT is a large language model, or LLM. These LLMs are revolutionizing how we interact with computers. They are capable of understanding and responding to natural language. This makes them incredibly versatile and accessible to everyone. Ready to experience the future of communication? Signing up for ChatGPT is a breeze. Head over to the ChatGPT website. You'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's free. Just provide your email address and choose a secure password. You'll be interacting with AI in no time. Once you've created your account, you're ready to go. Log in and prepare to be amazed. The interface is clean and intuitive. You'll feel right at home, even if you're new to the world of AI. The ChatGPT interface is like a blank canvas. At the bottom, you'll find a text box. This is where you type your requests, or prompts as they're called in the AI world. Don't be shy. Ask ChatGPT anything. It could be a simple question or a complex request. Hit enter and watch as ChatGPT processes your request. In seconds, it will generate a response. You can then continue the conversation, asking follow-up questions or making new requests. The possibilities are endless. To get the most out of ChatGPT, you need to learn how to speak its language. This doesn't mean learning a new programming language, it's about understanding how to craft effective prompts. The clearer and more specific your prompts, the better ChatGPT's responses will be. For example, instead of asking "write a poem," try something like "write a short rhyming poem about the beauty of a starry night." The more context you provide, the more impressive ChatGPT's output will be. Section 5. ChatGPT, your personal creative assistant. ChatGPT is a master of many trades. It can be your personal assistant, helping you with everyday tasks. Need to write an email but don't know where to start? ChatGPT can help. Just provide some basic information and it will generate a polished draft. Feeling stuck on a creative project? ChatGPT can be your muse. It can help you brainstorm ideas, write stories, poems, even scripts. The only limit is your imagination. Section 6. Unlocking ChatGPT's power features. ChatGPT comes with a suite of advanced features that take its capabilities to the next level. Custom instructions allow you to set preferences and guidelines for ChatGPT's responses. This ensures that its output aligns with your specific needs and style. Plugins are like apps for ChatGPT, extending its functionality even further. They allow ChatGPT to access and process information from the real world. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities, from booking flights to ordering food. Section 7. ChatGPT in the real world. The applications of ChatGPT are vast and varied. Businesses are using it to automate customer service, generate marketing content, and even analyze data. Educators are incorporating it into their classrooms, using it to create interactive learning experiences. Writers are using it to overcome writer's block, while programmers are using it to generate code. ChatGPT is transforming the way we work, learn, and create. Its impact is only beginning to be felt. Section 8. The responsible use of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. As with any powerful tool, it's important to use ChatGPT responsibly and ethically. Be mindful of the potential biases that can creep into AI-generated content. Always double-check information and use your own judgment. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool. It's up to us to use it for good. By using it responsibly, we can harness its power to make the world a better place. Section 9. The future of conversation. ChatGPT is a glimpse into the future of communication. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable language models. These models will further blur the lines between human and machine communication. The future is full of possibilities. ChatGPT is just the beginning. By embracing these advancements, we can unlock new levels of creativity, productivity, and understanding. The future of conversation is here, and it's exciting.